IBM Content Manager on Demand on Cloud provides fast access to information whether stored in the cloud or on-premise, dramatically improving account management, productivity, and customer self-service. In this recording, a monthly statement has been received and reviewed by the customer. An issue has been identified and customer service has been contacted. The customer service representative, working directly with the client, resolves and documents the issue, and then, based on the volume of checks written, identifies a new program that would benefit the customer. We begin with the customer, Carolyn Thomas, who has several accounts with the bank. She is enrolled in paperless billing and has received her monthly statements electronically. Carolyn opens her email and sees that links have been provided for her statement. She clicks on the link to review her monthly accounts. After verifying her credentials, Carolyn is automatically redirected to a page showing an overview of all her accounts, including checking, savings, her home equity loan, and a mortgage. She notices that her home equity loan statement for this month is higher than it should be, so she clicks on View to look at the details. Carolyn is able to see a breakdown of all activity on her account. She is also able to view past statements directly in the browser or download it as a PDF. She sees that her statement shows no payment on her home equity loan and a fee applied to the loan for that missed payment. She knows this is a mistake because she had deposited a check for the previous payment. Carolyn clicks on Chat to open up an IM session with the customer service representative in order to explain her situation. As a customer service representative, Dave Adams is responsible for resolving customer issues in order to improve satisfaction, while also influencing the company's business results. Dave has gotten all the details he needs from Carolyn. After asking her to stay online, he opens up account management and searches company cloud and on-premise repositories for Carolyn Thomas using her account number. The search quickly yields a list of statements for Carolyn's loan account. Dave quickly sees the statement that will need to be reviewed for the missed payment. Dave opens Carolyn's statement to verify the details and confirms that she was indeed charged a late fee for a missed payment on her loan. To see where the problem could have occurred, Dave begins by doing a search for the transactions reports. These are computer-generated output of all transactions logged by the system. Dave opens the most recent customer transaction report and selects Find All to see all transactions related to Carolyn Thomas. The search returns a list of transactions related to Carolyn's accounts. From the transaction history, Dave notices that multiple payments have been made in the same month on the mortgage and that one of the payment amounts was for the same amount as mentioned by Carolyn. It seems like the additional payment should have been applied to her home equity loan rather than to her mortgage. He also notes that Carolyn writes a large number of checks on a monthly basis, making Carolyn a candidate for a new debit card program designed to minimize check usage. Dave wants to confirm the scanned check in question, so he searches for checks with Carolyn's bank account number. He opens the applicable image and sees that Carolyn's payment was received, but as the account number was not listed on the check, it has been applied to Carolyn's mortgage. Having identified the issue, Dave begins the resolution process by creating an annotation on her current home equity loan statement. Dave opens the chat window and explains the error to Carolyn. He communicates that he'll correct the error and remove the late fee from her account. He also comments that based on the volume of checks that she writes each month, there is a new debit card program with an attractive interest rate, which would also save on check fees. He offers a quick review of her account. Carolyn accepts this offer. Dave returns to the transaction page and after further review determines that Carolyn qualifies for the new debit card program. Dave returns to the chat window and recommends to Carolyn the new debit card program. She accepts the offer as it will provide better interest for her account and reduces the need to write checks. Carolyn thanks him for his help and ends the chat session. Dave needs to process the changes to Carolyn's current loan and add the new debit program for her checking account. To start the process, he needs to send an email to the accounts department. First, he selects Carolyn's current loan statement and clicks on Send as Link. This opens up a new email window. In the email, he documents resolution of Carolyn's payment error. In addition, Dave provides instructions for enrollment in the debit card program. All relevant documents are provided as links in the email. This keeps the content within the repository, reduces the overhead of sending attachments, and restricts access to only those with the correct permissions. In this recording, we have shown how IBM Content Manager on Demand on Cloud is used as an account management solution for the banking financial services industry. Customers have access to their statements online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, while businesses can quickly capture, access, and manage their content either in the cloud or on-premise. in order to provide efficient, superior, and secure customer service.